Today I am sharing the final piece in the classic bedroom set series that I have been sharing, and today it is a nightstand. I've already shared a nightstand that had one drawer and then a shelf below, but this time I've done one with 3 drawers, so if you need extra storage, this is the perfect nightstand for you. Let me show you how I did it.
To start, I cut out all the plywood pieces according to the cut list in the plans that I'll link in the description below. To cut the plywood out with my circular saw, I placed it on a piece of rigid foam. Then I ripped the sheet down into strips with a rip cut guide before using the AccuCut guide to cross cut out the pieces to the finished length. The rest of the pieces are from 1x2 and 2x2 boards, which I cut to length using my miter saw. First up is to build the sides of the nightstand. I added pocket holes to the short edge of the trim pieces, making sure to center them on the board carefully in the jig. Then I added pocket holes to the perimeter of the side panel pieces, making sure the pocket holes on the top and bottom are set in a bit from the edges, so they will not be in the way when the pocket holes on the trim piece when I attach them later. To assemble the sides, I attached a trim piece to the top and bottom of the side panel, so it was flush on the back. Then I attached a leg piece to the one side so it was flush with the front and back of the trim, leaving the panel set back. I attached the lower trim piece so it was centered on the leg and 1 inch up from the bottom. The pocket hole in the underside of this piece keeps it hidden when the nightstand is upright. After all the pieces were attached to one leg, I attached the second leg to the other side, then repeated it so I had 2 pieces. Next, I added pocket holes to the front trim boards and decorative back pieces. I attached the front trim pieces to one of the assembled sides so they were spaced according to the plans and set them back from the front 1/4 inch. This will create a frame around the drawer fronts. Once all the front pieces were attached to one of the sides, I attached them all to the other side, making sure to match the spacing. To finish the back, I added 2x2 boards to the top and bottom. I also added a matching 1x2 trim similar to the decorative trim on the sides. And now the nightstand frame was all done. I built 3 drawers from 1/2 inch plywood for the sides and 1/4 inch plywood for the bottom. The bottom was inset into a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch groove that I cut into all the drawer pieces by making multiple passes on my table saw, but you can also cut the groove using a circular saw or router. I assembled the drawer boxes with wood glue and 1 inch pneumatic staples by attaching the front piece between the 2 sides. You can assemble your drawers with pocket holes if you prefer. I'll add a link to my detailed post on building drawers 3 ways below, or find it on housefulofhandmade.com. Then I slid the drawer bottom into the groove before attaching the back between the sides. I added a round over to the inside edge of all the drawer boxes. This is totally optional, but I like how it gets rid of that sharp plywood edge and makes it look really professional. I installed the 12-inch long drawer slides to each drawer section so they were set back 1 inch from the front of the legs. To keep the slides level to the dresser, I clamped a scrap of 3/4 inch plywood to the top of the front frame. I leveled it and then clamped it to the back. The slide was set on top of this, which made it so it was 3/4 inch up from the bottom when it was secured. Then I secured the other piece of the drawer slide to the drawer boxes so they were 7/8 inch up from the bottom of the drawer to give the drawer the proper clearance. I have a post on tips and tricks for installing drawers as well on housefulofhandmade.com. To finish the edges of the plywood drawer fronts, I ironed edge banding to the perimeter of all the pieces. Then for the top drawer, I cut a small groove down the center to make it look like it was 2 drawers. Then I attached the drawer fronts to the drawer boxes so there was an 1/8 inch spacing all around. With the drawers aligned properly, I temporarily secured the drawer fronts with 1 inch brad nails. Then I opened the drawers and permanently attached them with 1 inch screws into all 4 corners of the front of the drawer. Finally, it was time to attach the top. I removed the drawers, making sure to label them so that they could go back in the right spot. Then I flipped the nightstand frame over onto the top piece. I drilled some countersunk holes into the front and back top trim boards, then secured the top through these holes with some wood screws. And now the nightstand is all done. Reinsert your drawers and add the desired drawer pulls. I use these cute black ones, small ones on top and larger ones on the bottom.
And now my nightstand is all done. I love all the storage that the drawers give me. And it's going to be so great to be able to mix and match with all of the different dresser and the other nightstand options to make the most custom bedroom set for you. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe and follow along on housefulofhandmade.com for even more amazing things for you to build.